I would say good afternoon and hello, of course. It has been a long time. I have been very inactive on YouTube, but today is the day, and I have a flight to New Zealand. And so, come along with me. I am all alone right now because all of my batchmates have gone early, and I am the latecomer. So, yup, follow along. I'm getting late, so I will update you on the way to the airport. We have finally left for the airport and I have no idea which road, where are we heading. I just know that we are heading to Mumbai and that's it. And we have to reach Mumbai by 10 so that I can board my flight by 1:40. So yes, okay, I'll introduce you all. This is my father who is also sleeping. This is Kanu. This is Dinesh Bhai. This is my Bua. This is mom who is also very sleepy. This is Charlie. He's also sleeping. And this is my brother who is also sleeping. So if you think that what a normal Gujju family looks like, they all sleep when they travel. That is what it is. We are here for a break. This is a place named as Farsi Dairy, and we ordered some kotmi curry, which is like, okay, my pronunciation is a little wrong, but okay. It is all over, and we have also ordered some drinks and everything. So yes. This is something called as doodh puff, which is basically a dish. This is a drink we got in this place. And it tastes like vanilla ice cream. I actually ordered a mango shake because the milkshakes are very famous.
Very famous.
What do you? Nah. Should कोई नहीं. We have finally arrived at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal 2, and yup, this is a very pretty view here. All my people coming to drop me off. We are finally at the airport and the reality is kicking in. Peeps. All the very best. The hardest part of fulfilling your dream is leaving your family behind. होने का टाइम खत्म ही हुआ. Time to be a strong, independent woman who my parents have made. Now I'm going to board and do my things, and I'll meet you afterwards. Hello you all. So we are done with our security check-in, immigration and stuff, and we are here at Burger King. Of course, I'm having a large Coke.
And gate number is 74 and the boarding is going to start at 1:10. So we have like a lot of time right now. I have my flight at 1:40. So yep. Also I have a flight from Bombay to Hong Kong In Hong Kong, I have an 11 hours of layover, and then I have a flight from Hong Kong to Auckland. So that is the thing. Then from there, I have a flight to Vancouver. Auckland also has a layover of 5 hours for me, and I don't know. Let's see how does that go because I never have had a layover of more than 2 or 3 hours on any airport. So I just want to explore and see stuff. But till then, पहले पेट पूजा फिर काम पूजा.
And yep, one more thing, this is a message for my family. If you're all seeing it, and so I just want to say that I love you. Whatever I am today is because of you all and the person you have made me. The strong girl which the world sees is because of you. And I would always be so grateful for a family like this. I'm sorry, I'm very emotional, but yeah, I will always be very grateful for a family like this. You have been my support through thick and thin whenever I have had a problem, every joy, every sadness, everything. And I love you all for this. Mama, Dada, Daddy, Mummy, Hibu, Pibu, Milfaji, Kavya. I love you all, and just know that I'll miss you and I'll see you soon. So yeah, the vlog isn't getting over, guys. Do not get emotional with me. But yeah, yep, I'll miss you. Take care, you all, and I'll see you soon. Coming to India very soon, guys. जाने से पहले I'm ready to come back. But one more good news. We are going to do plane spotting the entire time we are in Hong Kong, Auckland or here. And we're going to see beautiful aircraft. Indigo. I'm seeing a lot of Indigo aircraft. And I want to see the others also, Emirates and stuff. So let's see where can we find them. And as soon as I find them, I'll show it to you guys also. Guys, we can't see any aircraft from the gate. So now we go to a different gate where we can see the aircraft. And as soon as the boarding time starts, we run back here to board the aircraft. The luck with me is like that. Like when I get to go to big airports where good flights are coming, I don't get good gates. How do I explain it, guys? Okay, so this is the decor here. And it is so pretty. मैं पता नहीं क्यों तुम्हें cinematic way में बता रही हूँ, but कोई बात नहीं. And there are the operations taking place, if you can see or not, because there is a lot of reflection. But yep, that is it. And I think we are going to go to a different gate now. पता है अकेले ट्रैवल करने में there is one दिक्कत कि तुम्हारे पास जो सामान है वो तुम्हें खुद ही लेके हर जगह घूमना है और तुम किसी को बोल नहीं सकते हो कि चलो मम्मी पापा होंगे तो 2 मिनट के सामान का ध्यान रखो, मैं आती हूँ प्लेन स्पॉट करके, बिकॉज दे अंडरस्टैंड योर एक्साइटमेंट, राइट? बट हियर यू कांट लीव योर स्टफ लाइक दैट. I don't have the guts. So I think, and like the weight of this bag itself is so heavy that I am tired of keeping it on my back now. Okay, say hi to Kanu. Kanu, say hi. And he is also traveling with us. He is going to be there for us in the training period. Whenever I need him, he's always there. So I decided to take him with me because he's my Kanu. And हम दोनों enjoy करेंगे वहाँ पे, दोनों जूस पियेंगे और दोनों फरारी चिवड़ा खाएंगे, ये सब करेंगे. Guys, I have just found the spot where I can see some planes. If you can too or not, I have no idea. So yeah, but the takeoffs are happening from this place here, and I have okay. There's one plane landing also. Okay, wait. You can see there this thing here. It's landing, but I have no idea where to exactly go to sit because everything's full here. But okay, that's landing. Yay! Pretty. So yep, we have also captured a landing now. Yay! There goes the birdie, and we are finally boarding the aircraft. Okay, this is the aircraft, if you can see, and it's pretty good. It's a Boeing 777-300ER. So yep, I got on it from here. So yeah, we have got enough food also. It's currently 6 o'clock, morning 6 o'clock. I have no idea what time is it in Hong Kong because my phone is set up to the Indian timings. So yes, but we had a breakfast and we are now very sleepy. I actually was sleeping and then the like अचानक से सामने आ गया ब्रेकफास्ट. मैंने कहा अभी तो मैंने खाना खाया था, और कोई बात नहीं, मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट खा लिया है. इंडियन जो कि तुम पैसा नहीं बिगाड़ सकते भाई, मैंने बुक करा है, क्यों नहीं खाऊंगी, सही बात है. तो मैंने खाया और फिर अब मैं थोड़ा सा सो जाऊँगी फिर से. और हाँ यही है. वाओ, मेरे को मिडिल वाली सीट मिल गई. थोड़ा अनकम्फर्टेबल है बट इट वर्क्स फॉर मी, इट्स फाइन. So yes, and it was very cold, so I wore a hoodie. It's my brother's hoodie, so much appreciated. And yep, that is it. Okay, you all. So there are multiple modes you can switch to for looking out and knowing where you are. So okay, this one is the World Explorer mode. Other one is the top view. Okay, we'll see what the top view looks like. Okay, this is the top view. Then we have the cockpit view, the best thing ever. And this is what the top cockpit view looks like. Actually covered this route: Mumbai, Nagpur, Dhaka, then yeah, Hong Kong. So this is what the route looks like. Crazy, and I love it. Guys, I landed in Hong Kong and this is my view. I have no idea what my gate number is and anything because I have a 11-hour layover, so of course. But then we are going to explore if I have the capacity to. So that's that. And look at the pretty aircraft. I also saw the cockpit of Boeing 777 and that is beautiful. My god. Whatever place I am in, I will always have India in my mind, and I will always root for India. But this is also beautiful, of course. Not that I am not mesmerized by the beauty of Hong Kong and the mountains around it and the beautiful sky and the beautiful aircrafts. Of course, they are all big aircrafts with beautiful cockpits, but India is India. पता नहीं भाई, मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मैं बस चले जा रही हूँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. बस मैं चल रही हूँ, मुझे इतना पता है कि मैं चल रही हूँ. क्या चलते चलते मेरा पैर दुख ही रहा था, लगता है दिमाग भी ख़राब हो गया है. वाओ, क्रेज़ी हो गया ये तो. अब मैं मैगडी ढूंढ रही हूँ कि मुझे मैगडी मिल जाए, बर्गर की मिल जाए, कुछ मिल जाए तो मैं आराम से बैठ के कुछ खा लूँ, पर यह तो नहीं मिल पा रहा है. और मैं विश्वास नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर चीज़ में एग होता है, तो वैसे भी थोड़ा सा क्रेज़ी हो ही जाएगा. तो शायद मुझे सिर्फ कॉफ़ी पे सर्वाइव करना पड़े 11 घंटे, पर कोई बात नहीं. वी आर गोइंग टू पास दिस ऑल्सो. ठीक है भाई, कोई बात नहीं. बट द एयरपोर्ट इज़ क्वाइट बिग, क्वाइट नहीं बहुत बड़ा है, और घूमने के लिए जगह बहुत सारी है. मेरे को कुछ वेजिटेरियन खाने को नहीं मिला. मैकडी गई तो वहाँ पे कुछ वेज नहीं था, और बर्गर किंग गई वहाँ पे भी कुछ वेज नहीं था. फिर मैंने आउट ऑफ नोवेयर मेरे को एक कैफ़े दिखा, और मैं बिल्कुल होपलेस थी कि मुझे कुछ मिलेगा. मैंने पूछा एनीथिंग वेजिटेरियन, एंड आई ऑल्सो स्पेसिफाइड कि मेरे को एग्स भी नहीं चाहिए. आई लाइक मीट प्योर वेजिटेरियन वीगन व्हाटएवर. तो देन शी इज़ लाइक या वी हैव अ सैंडविच. तो उसमें टोमेटो चीज़ एंड एवरीथिंग वाज देयर, एंड I ate that. She made a really nice coffee for me, and yep, I had that. And अब मैं बैठी हूँ थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. बहुत चला भाई आज मैंने, मतलब from gate number 70 I walked to gate number 11 to go to McD, and then I got to know that I do not have anything veg here. So I again came back to gate number 20, and then I had this cafe wherein I got something vegetarian. I used to dream about this when I was a kid, and dreams do come true. That is what I want to say you all. Keep doing all the मेहनत. तुम किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से चाहो तो कायनात भी उसको तुमसे मिलाने में जुट जाती है. And that is the secret of manifestation. That is the secret of working hard towards a goal, and that makes you everything. You know, I have been alone for so many hours, so every time I listen to somebody speaking Gujarati, my face blooms up like, oh my god, what has happened. किसी मुझे गिफ्ट दे दिया हो ना, ऐसा लगता है. We have started our boarding, and I am again in my flight वाला अवतार, क्योंकि भाई ठंडी लगती है, और ये जैकेट मोटा सा कहाँ रखूँगी. तो यस, अगेन जा रही हूँ भाई, घर से और दूर जा रही हूँ. And this feels very sad but also exciting at the same time. So yes, let's go. Hello you all. We have boarded, and the aircraft is A350. And one more good news, I have a window seat. दिस इज़ द ऑकलैंड एयरपोर्ट. अब पूरा बताने नहीं बैठने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि सामान देखो भाई मेरा, और मेरे को बाहर भी जाना है. सो दैट इज़ वाई लेट्स गो. गाइस, मुझे ही बनना था स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन, तो अब भुगतो. ग्रीन लाइन ऐसा लग रहा है दिल्ली की मेट्रो फॉलो कर रही हूँ। पर उसमें ग्रीन लाइन तो मैं कभी गई नहीं, जो गई हूँ मैं मेजेंटा या पिंक गई हूँ, तो आई हैव नो आइडिया कि ग्रीन लाइन से क्या आता है। पर इस वाली ग्रीन लाइन से तो डोमेस्टिक टर्मिनल ही आएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज़ कि बीच का कुछ पार्ट है, पता नहीं क्या है, पर मुझे यहाँ पे जाना है और यहाँ पे सुंदर दिख रहा है, इसे दिखा रही हूँ। चलो, व्हेन वी वर लैंडिंग इन ऑकलैंड, भाई कितना सही व्यू था, इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल, इतना प्यारा लग रहा था। सो ये है, आई हैव टू फॉलो दिस ओनली। Hello you all. So currently it's 3:06 and I think the check-in is going to open because my flight is at 6:15. I just took कुछ शेक था, ये मैंगो समथिंग, एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइस बाय द वे। स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, पर अच्छा चीज़ को मैं अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ। एंड बाहर इतनी ठंड नहीं लग रही, होती मुझे एयरपोर्ट के अंदर ठंड लग रही है, पता नहीं क्यों पर लग रही है। मेरा लगेज कम हो गया है गाइज। मैंने उनको बोला कि ये छोटा वाला भी ले लो, तो कहते हैं कि एज सुन एज यू बोर्ड, बोला बोर्डिंग के टाइम पे हम ले लेंगे, अभी आई कैन नॉट टेक। मैंने कहा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, तब तक मैं इसे एसी पे घुमा लूँगी। एंड से हाई टू कानू। कानू भी मेरे साथ ट्रैवल कर रहा है एंड ही इज़ इन्जॉइंग। आई एम वेरी टायर्ड, सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज़ गोइंग। एंड यहाँ पे क्या है, ये बसेस का शेड्यूल दिया, पता नहीं क्या है, छोड़ो। फ्लाइट हमारी आ चुकी है, बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो टू द अकेडमी। पता नहीं भाई, मेरे को तो मिक्स फीलिंग्स आ रही है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ। नींद भी आ रही है, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा है, नो आइडिया। कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स सी what NZ has for us. So you can see these are the aircraft standing, और ये है हमारा एयरक्राफ्ट, सुंदर सुंदर। Finally NZAA, the union with NZAA has happened, and I don't know, it's cold here. I did not expect that. It's not chilly, it's cold.